ठान लिया, मंजिल को अपना मान लिया। जब आंखों में अरमान लिया, मंजिल को अपना मान लिया, फिर मुश्किल क्या आसान क्या, फिर मुश्किल क्या आसान क्या, बस ठान लिया तो ठान लिया। Good afternoon to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank you that you have given me a golden opportunity to speak here. And a few words I would like to tell that what is the power of education. Because more persons are studying, but they are not knowing that what is the education. What is the power of education? Do you know what is the power of education? Usually in our home sites, teach us that we should study for getting job. But that is the not only work of education. And you should also think that should we study for getting job? Job means should be education? I think not. And what can you get by the job? Only 2 square meals and other things, nothing. But have you thought that what can knowledge will give you? If you are studying for the knowledge, so have you thought what knowledge will give you? It gives you different way to see the world. If you are knowledgeable, so you can judge of anyone to yourself. If you have a knowledge, so what do you want to get? You can get by the easily. So which things would you like to choose? Job or knowledge? Which things would you like to get? Only 2 square meals or everything? So keep your thought big. Because which type you will keep your thought, that type you will become. And do you know why persons will be very poor? Because their thought is a very poor. And up to when you will not keep your thought of the high level, so you can never become a person of the high level. So if you want to become a big person, so you will have to keep your thought big. And do you know why our country is not developing? There are many reasons, but all reasons are connected with together. The main reason is the education. So firstly, we will have to focus on the education. We will have to struggle for the education, and having made unity, we will have to struggle. But if that thing you could do, so anyone could not pretend for the succeeding. Anyone could not pretend for the developing your country. I know that that is not a child's play, but anything is not impossible. I know that here some problems will create, some difficulties will create. But remember a thing that who has never been familiar with circumstance, she is a witness that could never famous. So always try to face off the problems, never run away to problems. But here is a very big problem that every person want to become a big problem. That every person want to become a famous person. But they think that which is the very easy way to success in my life. They fear to the hardest work. But listen a thing that while working, if you are searching that which is the very easy way, while working, if you are feeling hardest, that means that you are not working. Because when you will work in the really, so never you will feel that hardest. And never you will feel, and never you will search that which is the very easy way. So love to your goal, dedicate for your goal if you also want to be in pages of history. And do best work. Because your life is not for always. That is only for some days. And after some days, you will not live here. And your any identity will not live here. But if you want that your after the going also, your own identity can live here, every person can remember you, so you will have to do best work. Because here more persons have come and more persons have gone. But who has been remembered? Whose are in our hearts? Who has done a good work? Who has done the best work? So if you also want to be in pages of history, if you also want that every person remember you, so you will have to done best work. And I'll end my talk with a very short note that live your life fully. Live your life fully and be kind to yourself. I'll repeat, be kind to yourself. Because when you will kind for to yourself, then only then you can be kind for others. And love to yourself and spread that. And remember a thing that the real happiness is not the real happiness doesn't live in money. The real happiness doesn't live in job. The real happiness live in gratitude. The real happiness live in gratitude. So become a grateful person and alive and live in every moment. Thank you.